Hello students, see this question. I will not read the question, it's very long. I'll just tell you that there's some amount of iodine which has been injected into the body of a person, okay, and the iodine is getting uniformly distributed throughout the blood. This iodine is radioactive with half-life of 8 days that is given, okay, and the iodine is having initial activity 2.4 times 10 to the power 5, and after 11.5 hours a 2.5 ml sample of the blood is taken, which is giving an activity of 115 becquerel. So to find the total volume of the blood in the person's body. So let's say that the amount of radioactive iodine injected into the person's body will be M. This M amount of iodine is giving initial activity of 2.4 into 10 to the power 5 BQ. Okay. Also, this iodine is distributed throughout the blood. Okay. This is the activity at T equal to 0 for entire blood, we could say. Correct. This much iodine is ingested into the body, which is distributing throughout the blood. So this is the radioactivity of the entire blood. Okay. Entire blood is showing this much radioactivity at T equal to 0. Now, at we are given the half-life of 8 days. So I will write down T half equal to 8 times 24 hours. Okay. So lambda, the decay constant lambda will be log 2 divided by T half. Okay. So that will be log 2 divided by 8 times 24, will multiply later on. Okay. Now, the total activity of blood, we could say, total activity of blood, let's call it x, will be equal to x naught e power minus lambda t. Okay. Now, your half-life is 8 times 24 hours, but we are looking after a duration of 11.5 hours. Okay. So, at t equal to 11.5 hours, this lambda t will be actually very small, so we could use this formula given in the question. E to the power x will be approximately 1 plus x. So we could say that x is equal to x naught. X is minus lambda t, so we'll get 1 minus lambda t. Now for the whole blood, I'm calculating the total activity of the whole blood. So x naught total activity for the whole blood is 2.5 into 10 power 5 becquerel, and x is given to be how much? Let's assume it. X will be equal to 2.4 sorry, into 10 to the power 5. 1 minus lambda is how much? Lambda is log 2 divided by 8 times 24, ln 2 divided by 8 into 24, and t is given to be 11.5 hours. So it will be 2.4 into 10 to the power 5. 1 minus ln 2 is given to be 0.7. So 0.7 divided by 8 times 24 times 11.5. Now to simplify the calculation, you could take 2.4 inside. So 2.4 minus 0.7 into 2.4 into 11.5 divided by 8 times 24. So you'll get this to be equal to 10 power 5. 2.4 minus 0.1. So you'll get this to be equal to 2.3 times 10 to the power 5. This is the activity of the whole blood. Okay. At time 11.5 hours. This is the activity of the whole blood. Okay. Now, in the question what is given, that the 2.5 ml of blood is giving an activity of 115 becquerel. 2.5 ml of blood is giving an activity of 115 becquerel. Okay. And total volume of the blood is V, then that is given activity of 2.3 into 10 to the power 5 becquerel. Okay. So that means divide them. So V divided by 2.5 ml will be equal to 2.3 times 10 to the power 5 divided by 115. So what do you get? V will be equal to 2.3 times 10 power 5 times 2.5 divided by 115 ml. Okay. So when you convert this into liter, you will get 5 liters as your answer.